So hey everyone, today we will fix FaceTime not working in iPhone problem. So the first fix is check network connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. If not, make sure to switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi to check the internet connection and try FaceTime. The second fix, verify FaceTime settings. For this, go to settings, tap on FaceTime. Now make sure your FaceTime is turned on. If it is turned off, simply turn it on and confirm your phone number is selected. If not, select your phone number and disable your email ID. Simply select your phone number and disable your email ID. The third fix is force restart your iPhone. For this, press volume up button once, down once, hold the right side key until the Apple logo appears and restart your device. Now the fourth fix is to sign out and sign in back to FaceTime. For this, go to settings, tap on your Apple ID. Now what you have to do, simply sign out and sign in again to fix the problem. The fifth fix is to force quit the FaceTime app. So if you are in FaceTime app, simply force quit it and go again to see the problem, if the problem is fixed or not. The sixth fix is to check date and time settings. For this, go to settings, tap on general. Now tap on date and time and ensure set automatically is selected and turned on. So that's it. See you in next tutorial.